confirm. Yeah, there's a white Toyota Corolla, Charlie Lincoln Victor 9552. It's driving at a high rate of speed and driving reckless. So,
copy. If you can go to the apartment all the way down there, North Camp Creek, you might go down in there. Yeah, boy, you talking about the apartment, the blue apartment that goes all the way up the hill. Yeah, morning North Camp Creek.
Hey, put in 3340 North Camp Creek Parkway. That'll bring you to where they are, to that road. And both men are laying together right now. They're not moving. I think they're trying to hide from us, obviously. But put in 3340 North Camp Creek Parkway.
Hey, ready? We got an ETA for K9? Ready with the K9?
Walk in from the car, just walk into it.
K9 26.
Yeah, downstairs.
You wanna wait for it?
Hey, K9's right here, we might as well wait.
100 yards, right there. 100 yards.
Alright.
Yards ahead of you. Alright, so you're coming up on keep pressing. The officer is going to be off to your right. They're going to be laying down. Turn to your right. Stop the line.
Off, and your siren's off. We don't want them to take off running. They're kind of bedded down here.
Turn to the right.
Don't fucking move. Don't fucking move. Turn over. Turn the fuck over.
That's what I'm talking about going for either way. Thank you.
and radio, this is going to be our suspect, Blue Jacket.
Turn around. Come on. Come on.